Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to source for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of India's most popular premium hatchbacks, the Maruti Suzuki Baleno. A strong contender in its segment, the Baleno combines style, efficiency, and smart features in a package that continues to win hearts across the country. Design and styling. The Baleno sports a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a wide front grille, LED projector headlamps, and signature DRLs that give it a modern and aggressive look. The sculpted sides and bold alloy wheels add to its road presence, while the rear design is neatly finished with stylish LED tail lamps. Overall, it maintains a premium yet youthful aesthetic. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the Baleno comes with a refined 1.2 LK series dual-jet petrol engine that delivers 89 brake horsepower and 113 Nm of torque. It's available with both a 5-speed manual and a smooth AMT gearbox. While it's not built for high-speed thrills, the Baleno is all about comfortable city driving and excellent fuel efficiency, offering up to 22.35 km per liter, making it a wallet-friendly choice for daily commuters. Interior and features. Step inside, and the Baleno surprises with its spacious cabin and updated dashboard design. It features a 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Plus infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a semi-digital instrument cluster, cruise control, and rear AC vents, features usually seen in higher segments. The cabin materials have also seen an upgrade, providing a more premium feel. Safety and pricing. Safety has improved with 6 airbags, in top variants, ESP with hill hold assist, and ISOFIX mounts. With a price range starting around 6.6 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, the Baleno delivers great value for money. Conclusion. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for a reliable second car, the Maruti Suzuki Baleno stands out as a smart, feature-rich hatchback that delivers on all fronts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vehicle Club for more automotive insights.